When it comes to upgrading your home, few improvements can have as dramatic an impact as replacing your windows. Not only can new windows enhance the curb appeal of your home, but they also provide better energy efficiency, comfort, and security. If you live in Cayce, SC, a city known for its warm, humid summers and mild winters, choosing the right windows is crucial to maintain comfort throughout the year. Here's a guide to help you choose the perfect window replacement for your home. Consider the climate and energy efficiency. Cayce, SC, experiences hot, humid summers and mild winters, so energy efficiency should be a priority when selecting windows. Look for windows with high energy performance ratings, such as low E glass coatings that reflect heat while letting in natural light. This helps keep your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter, reducing your energy bills. Additionally, opt for windows with a low U factor, which measures how well a window insulates your home. Windows with a lower U factor are better at keeping out the heat during summer months, ensuring your HVAC system doesn't work overtime. Material matters. Wood, vinyl, aluminum, or fiberglass. Choosing the right window material is essential to ensure long-lasting durability and performance. The most common materials for window frames include vinyl. Vinyl windows are a popular choice for their affordability, durability, and excellent insulation properties. They require minimal maintenance and are resistant to moisture and warping, which is especially important in Cayce's humid climate. Vinyl windows also come in a variety of styles and colors, making them a versatile choice for many homeowners. Wood. Wood windows offer a classic look and natural insulation. While they require more maintenance than vinyl or fiberglass windows, they are perfect if you're looking to achieve a traditional or custom aesthetic for your home. Wood windows are also energy efficient and provide a high level of insulation, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Fiberglass. Fiberglass windows are highly durable, energy efficient, and resistant to the elements. They are low maintenance, and because they are stronger than vinyl, they are less likely to warp over time. Fiberglass windows are perfect for homeowners looking for a long-term investment with minimal upkeep. Aluminum. While aluminum windows are durable, they aren't as energy efficient as vinyl or fiberglass, especially in a climate like Cayce's. Aluminum conducts heat, which can lead to higher energy costs. However, if you prefer a modern, sleek appearance and can add energy-efficient coatings, aluminum windows may still be an option. Window style and design. Your window style will significantly impact both the functionality and aesthetic of your home. Common window styles include double-hung windows. These are the most traditional and versatile window type. Double-hung windows allow you to open both the top and bottom sashes for optimal airflow, making them an excellent choice for homes in humid areas like Cayce. They also provide easy cleaning because both sashes tilt inward. Casement windows. Casement windows open outward with a crank mechanism, offering excellent ventilation and a sleek, modern appearance. They are also highly energy efficient because they create a tight seal when closed, which helps reduce drafts and energy loss. Slider windows. Ideal for homes with limited space, slider windows open horizontally, offering unobstructed views and easy access for ventilation. They're a great choice for larger openings or areas like kitchens and living rooms. Bay and bow windows. These types of windows extend outward from your home, creating a beautiful focal point. Bay windows typically feature 3 sections, while bow windows have 4 or more. Both options provide stunning views, extra light, and an expansive look. Consider your budget when choosing new windows. It's essential to consider your budget. While higher-end materials and energy-efficient options like low-E glass and triple-pane windows might come with a higher upfront cost, they can save you money in the long run through lower energy bills and reduced maintenance costs. It's also worth considering financing options if you're looking to spread out the expense of window replacement over time. Work with a professional installer. Choosing the right windows is only part of the process. To ensure your windows function as efficiently as possible, professional installation is key. Working with a local, experienced window contractor in Cayce ensures that your windows are installed properly, providing the insulation, ventilation, and aesthetic appeal you desire. A professional installer will also offer guidance on selecting the best windows for your home's design and climate. Conclusion: choosing the right window replacement for your home in Cayce requires careful consideration of factors like energy efficiency, material, style, and budget. Whether you opt for the durability of vinyl, the beauty of wood, or the energy efficiency of fiberglass, make sure to choose a window that complements your home's aesthetic while offering lasting comfort and efficiency. With the right windows and professional installation, you'll enjoy a more beautiful, comfortable, and energy-efficient home for years to come.